You are one. You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to claim your Deezer artist profile. If you're interested in the video, make sure you don't skip any part of the video. If you are new on my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below and don't forget to click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. I'm Kidas Clean, aka Superstar Trap Boy. Let's get into the video now. Going to be doing search for Deezer for artists on your browser, or you can use the link I'll be dropping in the description to just come straight to this dashboard over here you're seeing on your screen. Just as easy as that, and you are here. Now click on request access. Okay, you can see that. Now complete your Deezer for creator info. Can you see this? I am a this drop down right here. Now you click on select your role. Okay, I'm an artist, so I'll be clicking on artist. This is where you enter the artist name you want to claim. Your artist name. Okay, that's clean. Okay, this is over here. I'll enter my email over here. Enter one of your digital UPCs. Enter one of my UPC. Have it over here. Okay, your label. Music. My distributor name. We're using DistroKid track.co. That's the name of distributor. Right now I'm using SongTrader. Okay, good. My distributor's email, that's SongTrader's email. If you're using DistroKid, it will be DistroKid email. If you're using TuneCore, it will be the TuneCore email. Right now I'm using SongTrader, so I'll input the SongTrader's email. It's over here. Okay, my Facebook page. You enter your Facebook page URL. Facebook page over here. Instagram page URL too over here. Then my Twitter page URL over here. Okay, the next thing you do is click on this box below. I accept the terms and conditions. Then you are good to go. Let me check if I fill up all the necessary. Just come. Okay, I'm done with that. Then I'll click on submit. Your request has been sent. We will get back to you shortly. Hope you can see this. Request has been. Then let's go about claiming your artist profile. Once your request has been verified, then Deezer for creators will send you an email to know if you are verified already. Then you can control your Deezer account. You can change your profile picture, your info, anything about your account. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, kindly click on the like button and drop a nice comment in the comment section. If you think you don't get a video, you can go and watch it over and over till you get the video. It's very easy. I'll link the I'll drop the link to the website in the description below. Once again, I'm Kidas Clinic, Superstar Trap Boy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. Peace.